True Pacific storm, windstorm on Mercer Island. Trees are howling, branches are falling, and debris down everywhere. Literally, a branch just dropped where I was standing. They're falling all over. Those are not airplanes, that is high gust of wind. And the trees over the top of our place. This tree was half brown yesterday, with all dead pine stems. It appears there's a large vessel out on the water trying to fight its way through out there. Holy cow. The whitecaps on the lake you could literally surf on. They're huge. This boat is having a hard time wherever it's going. That is a fight. And you can see down the drive, you can see the amount of large waves out in that water. And the debris, I just blew this driveway yesterday and it was 100% cleared off of all pine needles and debris. Even the birds are worried in the trees, chirping away. Can't believe the double split pine has not gone down. And the little cottage remains. There is debris as if it was dumped up and down the driveway. This was all blown yesterday. And again, those whitecaps on the lake are just non-stop. The cars are literally covered in debris. Power is still on, knock on wood. About 5 minutes ago I was almost hit by that branch falling right in front of me. And if you can hear those pine cones falling like baseballs, you don't want to be hit by one of those. Then I come out to the deck, which we've had branches falling and winds moving through here. We no longer have any leaves or branches to protect the wind or slow it down. That is the vicious windstorm of the Pacific Northwest. And the cottage still stands over there. We lost a tree. And the stick or the branch remains hanging even in this windstorm. Looks like the blower will have to come out again.